Hi everyone, welcome back to Dream Cars. Today we've got something truly exciting for muscle car lovers, a legend reborn. The 2026 Plymouth Road Runner is making a comeback, and it's bringing the raw, unapologetic American power that made it famous in the first place. For decades the Road Runner has stood as a symbol of speed, attitude and pure muscle, and now it's being reimagined. For a new generation, this isn't just a tribute or a retro-themed remake. The 2026 Road Runner is a bold fusion of heritage and innovation. The design pays homage to the original with aggressive lines, a white stance, and of course that unmistakable beat porn that made it iconic. But underneath the throwback styling is cutting-edge technology, rumor has it the car will be powered by a high-output V8, possibly supercharged, delivering north of 700 horsepower, more than enough to burn rubber and make your heart race. However, with the industry's rapid shift toward electrification, whispers of a hybrid or even fully electric version aren't off the table either. That's right, the Road Runner might soon be just as much about kilowatts as it is about cubic inches inside. Expected driver-focused cockpit that mixes retro charm with modern luxury. Think leather seats with contrast stitching, digital gauges style like old-school analog meters, and a massive infotainment screen tucked into a vintage-inspired dashboard. Every detail is being designed to give drivers that nostalgic muscle car feel while still keeping them connected, comfortable and safe. What's even more exciting is how Plymouth, or rather its parent company under the Stellantis Group, is teasing this car as a limited production model. That means exclusivity, rarity and major collector value from day one. For enthusiasts, this could be a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a piece of American history revived with futuristic flair if all goes as hinted. The 2026 Plymouth Road Runner will be more than just a car, it'll be a statement, a bold tire-smoking head-turning throwback to an era when cars had sold and speed was king. Get ready for something loud, fast and unforgettable. The Road Runner is back, and it's not playing games. The 2026 Plymouth Road Runner's rear design masterfully blends classic muscle car aesthetics with modern enhancements. These provide a distinctive light signature, paying homage to the original Road Runner while incorporating contemporary styling. Enhances aerodynamic performance and adds a sporty flair to the vehicle's silhouette. Positioned within a sculpted rear diffuser, they not only contribute to the aggressive look but also emit a resonant exhaust note that underscores the car's performance capabilities. Emphasize the vehicle's power and stance, reinforcing its muscle car heritage. These elements collectively ensure that the 2026 Road Runner's rear is as captivating and performance-oriented as its front, making a lasting impression from every angle. Don't miss out. If you're passionate about muscle cars and automotive innovations, make sure to like this video to show your support. Share it with fellow car enthusiasts. Subscribe to Dream Cars for more in-depth reviews and the latest updates on iconic vehicles like the 2026 Plymouth Road Runner. Stay tuned for more exciting content.